Can you begin with a little presentation of you?
Okay, my name is Shirley Chen, and I came from Saint-Gobain China delegation EHS department, and currently I worked as environmental manager here to oversee and provide support training to the plants within Saint-Gobain China. Yeah.
Which advice would you give to young women who hesitate to start engineering studies?
I think my first advice is that if you are interested in engineering, you just do it. Nothing is much more difficult than if you are interested in, you can seek more. Sorry, maybe you can cut a little or.
Yeah, we will get it.
Yeah, they will. If you are interested in it, you will focus all your energy and focus everything on this topic, and you will do much better. So don't not. Sometimes if you think some difficulties as an engineer, as a woman, you will think about in the future. Maybe it's not very difficult. It's not very easy to find a job. Sometimes engineering work. They like men more than the woman, but right now I think especially in China, the big companies they have a more diversity program like in Saint-Gobain. They will not depend on the job because by the gender, whether you are a man or a woman. They will really think about your professionalism, whether your work experience and study experience is professional enough to handle this job. So for if you are thinking to find a job is difficult, it's really changes now. Yeah, especially in China, we changed a lot. So this, yeah.
Okay. What has been your biggest difficulty as a woman engineer?
I think sometimes for one thing is about the physical energy. I think for some physical work, usually men will have more energy than the woman, such as when we work at the site, we should work a lot, and sometimes men will maybe can work faster than a woman, or they can handle some things, heavy things. So when work at the site, sometimes previously for myself, I think it's due to the by nature, because usually men have more strength than the woman. So that's one thing. And for traveling for us, we have to travel a lot. So it's just for physical part, physical energy, we will feel a little difficult than the men. Yeah.
Okay. What has been your biggest satisfaction as a woman engineer?
I think for myself, I don't have very big project to be proud of. It's just from the daily work. Sometimes we will go to the site, do some visit or inspection, or do some audit. Sometimes we will feel that maybe one worker, they go to some dangerous zones, but he maybe he knows the rule. He cannot enter the dangerous zone, but he still do. We will stop him. At that time, I feel something I do it very well, because we stop it. In case we don't stop it, sometimes it will lead to some accident. People will get hurt. So at that time, when I found those things and I stop it, I will feel very proud of it. I will tell the worker, I don't come here to find the problem or give you some findings. I just want to prevent you to be safe, to don't get hurt. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And the last question, what is your next challenge?
I think for the challenges, I think EHS is a very professional work. We should understand lots of standards, lots of requirements from the regulations. So I hope my challenge is the more I work, the more I feel I should learn more to expand my professional to expand my professional scope. Because sometimes even I just work as an environmental law, I also have to handle some health, so safety. So expand my professionalism scope is my challenge, and I am willing to expand the scope because it's linked together. It cannot be divided just one part, or it's combined work. Single values also have a very pay attention to the EHS. So I hope I can learn everything from environmental health safety very well. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank
Yes.
you very
so
much.
Yes.